Hello friends, welcome to our channel SciChem. It's a learning platform where you can get idea about various topics of science. Please do subscribe, like and share the video as much as possible. So now we'll discuss about very simple and fast topic, very basic topic, that is what is science. So when we listen about the word science, or when we are going to make our career, or when we are going to study, or when we are going to take admission in science stream. So one thing comes to our mind: Can I get success in this science? Can I get a good score? Can I make my future properly with this science stream? So to understand all these questions and to get the answers for all these things, now let's go ahead with the video. To understand the science in a better way, let's take an example. You see the image here, which is very ancient time image. Here the people are wearing the skin of different animals. They are staying inside the cage, and they are staying on the tree. They are making their fire by using the stones and the woods. But nowadays we are very happy and we are staying in the modern society in the city area where all the facilities are available on our hand. We have the mobiles to talk the persons which are very far from us. Also we have the vehicles to go here and there within very less span of time. So how this is happened? So this is nothing but because of the science only. So this is because of the science and because of our advanced technology, which is applied science part. Nowadays the whole world is in our hand, and this is because of the science only. Now question comes to our mind: what is this science? How we can understand this science? What is the definition of science? So basically science is a word which is derived from the Latin word scientia, and the scientia means knowledge. Thus science is nothing but knowledge. Now the question comes to mind: then science is knowledge, then which kind of knowledge is it? So in very simple way, it is the knowledge in association with proofs. Means we are doing something and we are getting the proof. So that knowledge is nothing but the science. So in a proper definition way, science is the process of gaining knowledge and investing by making observations, raising questions and testing through experiments. So basically, when we listen the word science or we are going to study science, basically the students who are going to take admission in plus two science. So when they listen the word science, firstly, the things comes to their mind like this might be something very hard. We have to do very hard work for this to get success. Then we have to go for research. Maybe science belongs to something which is belonging towards research, towards doing something in the laboratories. Then also it comes to their mind like it might be some kind of technologies which is also too hard. Then also it's like something which is very innovative way we have to do, maybe some innovation, something like that, which is also something hard way. So then also comes to mind like have we have to read many books, many big books to understand the science in a very proper way. Then also those books will be completely with English. So basically we are not that much expert in the English, so we have to go for only English. So this is really very hard. Then also they have to think like we have to study a lot, many more things, many times we have to study. Then so at finally, can I do this? Can I get success? Actually, science is not that much so hard. We have to read many books, and though this is completely in English, but that is not that much so hard. The way we are thinking. So to understand in a much better way, let's proceed. So basically, we have to understand what is science and what are the types of science. In a way, science is basically divided into two types. So first is biology. So biology is nothing but the science related to the living things. Then physical science, this is the science related to the non-living things. So also if you will think about the application part of the science, so in that way also science is divided into two kinds. So first is basic science. So basic science is nothing but the science which is related to the theory, facts, formula, and those basically related to the textbook, and something like some papers we have to read and we have to get the idea. So this is the basic science. Then coming to the applied science, so applied science is nothing but the application part of the science which tends to make some technology, make some innovative things. So that is nothing but the innovation. As we listen, this science belongs to something which is innovative, something which makes innovation and technology along with some making some new things. So, is this science is so good? Does it have any bad side? Can it be harmful? So, to answer these questions, let's take one practical example. So, the example is, let's consider the invention of mobile and its networking system. So basically, mobile is a very small thing which you can use to talk the people who are very far from us, and we can see them. So basically, we are having so much advantage, like talk to each other being very far. We can see each other also. We can know all news. We can access the internet and many more things by using the mobile. We can capture the photo. That means nothing but we are capturing the time of a position of a situation. So, but the radiation which comes from the mobile, and when we are having the mobile near to our brain, so it can lead to brain tumors also. It can lead to hearing loss also. When we are watching the videos and YouTube, many things from the mobile or laptop, so that may lead to our loss of eyesight. So due to the network development, which is stands from 2G to then 3G, 4G, and then 5G nowadays. So because of this high network also development, many birds are also dying, and some other creatures are being slowly invisible today. So when we consider the advantages and disadvantages of mobile and the network system, we understood one thing. It is having both part, advantages part as well as the disadvantages part. Then we can say like science might have some disadvantages, might have some harmful sides, but we know science is the knowledge. How it can be bad, right? Knowledge can never be bad, right? So then we have to modify our questions. Means our questions might not be correct. Like we had asked how science is bad or is science bad. So how the question should come like how we are using the science. Is it in useful way or is in harmful way? Then the answer will be right, like the way we will use the science, it may give the result accordingly. Yeah, like the applied science has both the parts, like advantages as well as the disadvantages. So it is clear that science has the power to destroy as well as the to heal. Thank you all for listening the video. Please do subscribe, like and share if you are not done till here. Please share as much as possible among your friends and neighbors so that they can also get the videos which are coming up very soon. Thank you.